Hey everyone. Okay, so for tonight's homework, you're on page one. What was it? Here we go. 515 and 516. Let's go ahead and get started. Use the coordinate grid M, so this is it right here, to answer the question to write an ordered pair for the given point. So we needed to find its location. So I'm looking for N, and I'm going to go ahead and change this color. Here is N right here. So remember, we're always going to start at the point of origin, and we're going to move to the right. So I need to go to 4. So my ordered pair is 4, and I'm going up 1, 2. So this is 4, 2. Number 2, I need to find O, and that's that ordered pair there. Start at the point of origin. I'm moving all the way to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and I'm going up 5 and 5. Okay, I'll go ahead and erase that so that we don't have any issues. The next one is, I'll go with the purple, P. So I'm going to find P. Now, if you take a look, I can't go anywhere. I'm stuck here at 0. So this would be 0, and now I'm going up to 4. So the X is 0 because I'm staying right here on 0, and then I'm moving up 1, 2, 3, 4 to find P because that was the goal. And the last one is Q, way up here. I'm going to switch that over to green. And I'm going to start at the point of 0, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 to the right, and then I'm going all the way up to 10. So it's 3, 10 are my coordinates to locate point Q. All right, any questions on that? If so, leave a message and I can get back to you. If not, let's go ahead and move on. I'm going to erase this part here. All right, now we need to plot and label the points on the coordinate grid M. So we're going right back over here. And I think I will use the color purple. I mean, not purple. I think I'm going to use black. Okay, so I need to plot. So it's R I need to locate. So it says that I need 2, 8. Starting at the point of 0, the point of origin 0, I'm going to 1, 2 is right here. Now I'm going to move up 8, and I'm going to find 8, and I'm going to plot right there. And so here is going to be R. The next one is S, so it's 6, 0. My X is 6, so I'm starting at the point of origin, and I'm going to change the color on it. I'll go to green. And I'm going to go to 6, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm right there. And I don't move any units up. I stay right here on the x-axis at 6. So this is called S. The next one is T. I need to plot T. So I start at the point of origin at 0s, and I'm going to move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm right here, and I'm going up 7. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's where I'm plotting. I'm double checking, and so I'm going to put T. Now, some of you were not counting correctly, so you would get it one column over, so be super careful. The next one is 10, 0. And I'll do that blue. So I'm going to, starting with the point of origin at 0, I'm going all the way on the x-axis to 10. So I'm right here. And now I need to move up 8. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 is right there. And this is going to be U. Okay, that's the way we did it. Is the ordered pair 4, 5 the same as the ordered pair 5, 4? Yes or no? Well, let's look at this. I'm going to do 4, and I'm going to change the color just so that we can see it. Let's go with yellow. Okay. So 4, 5. I'm going to start at the point of origin, move over 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to go 5. I'm going up 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is where this is 4, 5. And then it said 5, 4. Well, I'm going to start at the point of origin and I'm moving over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units, and I'm only going up 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Are they the same? No. And this was, I went over 1 more and I came down 1. So is it the same pair? No. And let's see if I can get my typewriter to work so that we can write an answer on here. So it's not the same. You can see that we are going a little bit different. So I'll start it. Oh, actually, I will do this. Let me do the typing here. Okay, so it's not the same. Let me cross that out and move over to. And we can see definitely it's not the same, right? So it's trying to work on a keyboard and sliding off my lap. It's not the same, and why? Because, oops, if I can write the word because, the first ordered pair moves 4 units to the right, and the second ordered pair moves 5 units to the right. So you can already see that they're going to be off 1. Then um, the first ordered pair moves up 5 units, while the second ordered pair only moves up 4 units. So we can see that they're not going to match. Does that make sense? Okay, great. All right, let's move over to the next one. And I'm going to scroll down here. Let me move this down to here. All right, so the Alvarez family is spending the afternoon at the outdoor shopping center. Oh, that's nice. We're going to use this map. That kind of reminds me of La Cantera, right? Because it's outdoor. We're going to be using this map to answer question 10 and 11. Each unit represents 1 block. Okay, so 10. The toy store is located 1 block right. So each unit, so when we're moving it, it's 1 block. So I'm going to, this toy store is located 1 block right and 8 blocks up from 0, 0. So I'm going to start here. So I'm going to start at the point of origin of 0, right? And I'm going 1 block to the right. They're not calling it units, they're calling it 1 block. And then I'm going up 8. So where is the toy store? Toy store is going to be right here. So this is toy store. All right. So remember, we're starting from the point from 0, 0. We're going to write the ordered pair, and the ordered pair is going to be 1, 8, and there we're going to plot that. Okay. Look at those keywords. I really want you to pay attention to those keywords. Guys, I was going over your test. A lot of you were showing work, but you didn't do anything to the sentence or to the story problem. So make sure that you are documenting what you have to solve. And a lot of you forgot to do that. So know what you're needing to do. 1 block to the right and 8 blocks up. See that word up? That's the Y. To the right, that's the X. Okay. All right. As Amma leaves the shoe store, where's the shoe store? It's right here. It begins to rain. So she runs to the closest store. How many blocks is the closest store? So where is the closest store? Is it the jewelry store, or is it the grocery store, or is it the toy store? Well, let's see. We're going to go up 1, 2, 3, and then to the right, that's 4, or 1, 2, 3 up, and then back 1, 2, 3, that's 7. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to switch over. For the grocery store, as a matter of fact, we can just go 1 block that she runs. So that's 1, then 2, 3, 4. So that would take 4 blocks that she can run to the grocery store. Or if the next one, it's 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, that would be 5 blocks. So which is the closest one? That's absolutely right. How many blocks is closest? It's going to be the grocery store. Is closest only 4 blocks away. Sorry about the writing. I have an old stylus that I'm using this evening. All right, any questions on that? So we're just moving it back and forth. Let's go to the next page. The instructions for plotting a point in the coordinate grid read, start at the point of origin, move right 6 units, then up 3 units. What's the ordered pair? Oh, this should be really easy. I'm going to start at the point of, so I'm just going to kind of make one, start at the point of origin. I'm going to move to the right 6 and then up 3. So there you go. It's B. Going to move to the right of the point of origin 6 and then up 3. Let's go to number 13. If you start at the point of origin, which of the following shows how to plot the point 2, 5 in the coordinate grid? So are we going to move 5 units up and then up again 2 units? Okay, so if I were to do that, I'm going to move up and then up again. No, that doesn't make sense. I'm going to move to the right 2 units and then right again 2 units. So I'm starting here and I'm going to move 2 units and then 2 more units. That doesn't make sense either. I'm going to move right. I'm going to move right 2 units and then up 5 units. Okay, that could be a possibility. Move right 5 units, then up 2. No, that's not it. So the answer is C. Okay, let's go to the next one. We're going to use this map of the garden center to answers 14, 15, and 16. So this is the map that we're using. Which order pair shows the location of the annuals? All right, so here are the annuals right here. It's on the y-axis, so I have 0 as x, right? Because there's nothing, we didn't move to the right, so we just went straight up. So I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to get rid of this one. Well, I know it can't be 0, 0 because this is the point of origin. So that won't work. Well, let's look. Well, it's on 8, so the obvious answer is 0, 8. Number 15, which type of plants would you find at 9, 1? So I'm going to switch over different colors. I'm going to start at the point of origin, and I'm going to move over 9. So here's 9, and I'm going to go up 1, and I'm going to find the herbs. That's the answer. It's getting a little bit easier. Now the next one, it says it's a multi-step problem. Look at the map. Which are the correct order pairs for A and B? So here's A, and A, okay, so I moved from the point of origin over to 7, and I stayed there. That means I didn't go up, so that would be 0, right? So look at here, I'm looking at this one so far. So it's not that, not this one. Can't be a 0 for the X and then going up. That would be C, so that doesn't work. And then let me take a look at B. B's right there. Start at the point of origin. I'm moving over 1 and then going up 6. So the correct answer is C. And that was it for tonight. Guys, I will see you tomorrow. Have a great evening. Bye.